What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Last winter, I had a big struggle with my hair drying out quite a bit. It would get brittle, it would snap, it would break. I experienced a lot more breakage than usual and was working to try to rehydrate it quite a bit. And it was a struggle, but I did discover some really cool tips, some hacks through research and my own experimentation. And I'm definitely gonna share those tips with you, how you can combat that when it gets really cold out and how you can keep your hair from drying out and breaking as well. Let's get into it. First thing I want to talk about is humidifiers. When it's cold out, like below freezing, and you have your heater on, these heaters can dramatically lower the humidity in your home, right? Imagine your hair is a lush forest and the winter time is your drought. So the heaters in your home, when they're running to keep your house warm, can turn your home into basically a dry wasteland. It sucks the humidity and moisture out of the air and it can wreak havoc on your hair. And a humidifier reintroduces moisture into the air, creating that balanced environment. It's really interesting. The Harvard School of Public Health, there was a study that they did that actually provided compelling evidence that around 40 to 60% humidity is critical for helping keep your hair and skin hydrated. Without this, it can definitely disrupt your hair's moisture balance. It can lead to more breakage, similar to trees losing their leaves in a drought. That's basically what's happening with your hair. So here's a really quick pro tip. I bought the Level It humidifier and they have an app that it connects to. It's a smart app and it will auto read the humidity in the room. So basically what you do is you can set up this humidifier to whenever it goes below 40% humidity, it turns on. When it goes above 60%, it automatically switches off. You know, you're able to control automatically and you're able to read on the app roughly what the percentage of moisture in the air is. So smart humidifiers have been a game changer for my hair, especially in the winter time. It has reintroduced hydration and moisture back into my hair when I run my heater and it basically turns into a sauna in here. I typically run it when sleeping since I'm in one room for roughly 8 hours. That's typically when it would dry out the most, especially because the heater's running at night. So that's when I run my humidifier. Find what works best for you and your schedule, but definitely I would recommend picking one up. That actually brings me to another point, is transitioning from hair to skin real quick. If your home is, sucking all the moisture out, it's not only gonna affect your hair, it's also gonna affect your skin. And that's where I definitely recommend having a high quality skincare routine from Tiege Hanley, today's paid video sponsor. Basically, this skincare system, it works as a shield for your skin in the winter. I've used their products forever, going on, 3 or 4 years now. The difference is remarkable. So specifically, their ingredients are really effective. Peptides have been a game changer in skincare for a long time. They definitely have peptides. They are the building blocks of your skin and they help promote elasticity and firmness. And then they have hyaluronic acid, which acts like a super hydrator, which holds moisture in the skin. Their level 1 system is user-friendly and is scientifically formulated for optimal skin health. So definitely check out that one. You don't have to take my word for it though. Tiege Hanley has over 5,000 5-star reviews from customers all around the world. And in addition to better skin, members of Tiege Hanley get 20% off their retail price, access to exclusive monthly deals. You can pause or cancel at any time, and there's free US shipping. And since they're sponsoring today's video, they are offering you guys a really great deal. Just click the link in the description. You're gonna get 30% off your first order plus a free gift along with that. So don't miss out on this fantastic deal. Make sure you keep your skin hydrated in the wintertime as well. Tiege Hanley is the one to do it. So click that link in the description. So the next tip I have for you is that you're gonna need to alter your hair washing schedule to match the environment. What do I mean by that? Well, if you think of your hair's natural oils as a protective coat in the winter, when it's dry in the winter, your scalp may not get as greasy as quickly as it might in the spring or the summertime. You're also not sweating as hard as usual in the spring and summer. So if you keep to the same exact wash schedule, you actually run the risk of overwashing in the wintertime, drying your scalp out even more. So it's like washing your hands too often. When it's cold out and you wash your hands, they just get dry. It's the same idea with your hair. And the University of Missouri School of Medicine conducted a study that shows that overwashing your hair can actually strip oils and leave it vulnerable. It's like removing your coat when you're in a snowstorm. So washing less during the wintertime does allow your natural sebum production to nourish and protect your hair so it can keep its strength and hydration. But it definitely is a delicate balance, right? It's gonna be unique to your hair type. You're gonna have to do a little bit of experimentation to find the right frequency so you can prevent dryness and breakage from those cold winter days. And my best tip is basically to reduce your schedule by 1 to 2 days. For example, if in the spring and summertime you wash your hair every 2 to 3 days, try holding off and washing every 3 to 4 days. So to pair with that, my next tip for keeping your hair hydrated and moisturized in the wintertime is hair masks. I cannot stress this tip enough. They are vital. They're like emergency rescue teams for dry and damaged hair. So the Journal of Cosmetic Science published a study highlighting how hair masks improve hydration and overall health. And this study explains that hair masks provide deep conditioning that penetrate the hair shaft to replenish that lost moisture. And regular use, especially in the winter, can really keep your hair hydrated and keep it from breaking. Without this little extra care, you know, your hair can become fragile, become dried out, and it could lead to breakage. So I definitely recommend using a mask at least once a week. So I'm now washing my hair every 6 to 7 days. I use a hair mask now once a week every time I wash my hair. And then I'm also using a humidifier at night when the heater's running. There's tons of great options for hair masks. I'm gonna post my favorite in the description. I'm really loving the Kerastase masks right now. Moroccan Oil makes some really, really good ones. So again, I'll be sure to post those in the description. I'll include some budget-friendly options as well. But that's it, guys. Those are my 3 tips for keeping your hair from getting dry and brittle and snapping in the winter time. Definitely something I struggled with, but those are the 3 tips I implemented, and my hair is staying hydrated, it's staying moisturized, and I'm loving how it's looking in the winter time. Drop a comment if you have a tip on what you do to alter your hair care schedule depending on the season, and let me know. I'd love to read what you guys are doing as well. Come on over to Maynard Mains and drop your advice as well. Those guys are on their hair growth journey too. We got a free Facebook group. We also have a free app you can download in the app or Google Play Store. Maynard Mains, come check it out, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.